us begin mathematics class of 7, fractions and decimal. In that exercise 2.2, from that the fourth question. The question is that shade. They ask you to shade it, so you can shade the things, but they have asked you half of the circle in box. They have given the box, then half of the circle. Means by observing the picture, they are in the equal number, you can make it half very easily. If you are making it half, you are going to get these 6 circles. But how we got that 6? You must know the procedure. That is very important. Now, half of the circles. As I have explained you, the word of indicates multiplication. Half of, how many are there total? Total circles are 3 4s are 12. 12. Total circles are 12. Half of 12. The half word indicates multiplication. So let us simplify this. 2 1s are 2 6 are. So you have got the answer 6. So how many circles you have to shade it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your answer is ready. Now let us switch on to the second question. 2 upon 3 of the triangle. They have given the triangle 2 upon 3. How? It was equal number, you can make it half. But you cannot make it 2 upon 3. So let us do the same thing. 2 upon 3 of total number of triangles are 9. How we got 9? Total number of triangles are 9. Then we calculate 2 upon 3 of word indicates multiplication. So let us write 9. Now let us do the simplification. 3 1s are 3, 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. Here also we have to apply the color, or we have to shade it for 6 triangles. You can understand that, you can cross check it. Now if you they ask you 2 upon 3, right? If you make it 3 parts, 1 2 3, in that 2 parts are selected, your answer is correct. You can check it by yourself. Now the next question is 3 upon 5 of the squares in a box. Now 3 upon 5 total number of squares. How many are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 repeated 3 times. 5 3s are 15. So let us make it simplified. Of word indicates multiplication. So 5 1s are 5 3s are. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Means 5 upon 3. How many we have to shade it? 9. Yeah, anyhow you want, you can shade it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You can cross check it. The total number of parts are 5. 1 2 3 4 5. In that how many are selected? 3 are selected. So your answer is correct. The 9 answer is correct. Now let us switch on to the next question. Find. They did not ask you anything. They ask you to find. What you are going to find? In that half of, the first one is 24. The first one is 24. As I told you, of word represents multiplication. So let us do the same thing. Half, instead of word I have put multiplication. Let us simplify it. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 12 1s are. Answer is 12. Answer is 12. How we got 12 1s are 12. Now let us switch on to the next sub question. Half of 46. Half, instead of I am going to put multiplication 46. Let us simplify it. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 23 1s are 23. So you have got the answer 23. 2 upon 3 of 18. The first one is 18. The same way 2 upon 3, instead of we have to use multiplication. 18. 3 1s are then you have to multiply, because here multiplication is 6 2s are 12. The answer is 12. Now the next one in that sub question, 2 upon 3 of 27. 2 upon 3, the instead of we have to write 27. 3 1s are 3 9s are 9 2s are 18. Hope you are understanding. I have to make it simplification. 3 1s are 3 9s are 9 2s are 18. Now let us switch on to the next question. The questions are similar. So 3 upon 4, in that first one is 16. Instead of we have to use multiplication. 4 1s are 4 4s are. Then the left out is 3 and 4. In between multiplication is there. 3 4s are 12. The same way 3 upon 4 of 36. 3 upon 4 into 36. 4 1s are 4 9s are 9 3s are 27. Next 4 upon 5 of 20. The first one is 20. 4 upon 5. Instead of we have to use multiplication. 5 1s are 5 4s are 4 4s are 16. So easy, just like playing the game. 4 upon 5 of second one is 35. 5 1s are, now let us write in the form of multiplication. 35. 5 1s are 5 7s are 7 4s are 28. The answer is 28. They ask you to find according to the question. In the question they used the of word represents multiplication. Hope you understood how to find it. Thank you, my dear students.